I'm so excited. I got my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and I just cannot wait to start using this. This is my happy dance. Now to unbox this baby, here we go. We got the S Pen case by Samsung. I'm not into these type of cases that much, but I definitely wanted the pen. The pen is a little bit smaller than my Tab S7 Plus pen, so that's cool. It's not too big or too small. And you get the extra tips and such. I'm just going to put that back in the package. And it feels really nice and premium, but I'm not usually into the book style cases. I like that you can remove the sleeve that holds the S Pen, so this might be something I'll use and modify later down the road. Now it's time. I've been waiting so long for this. I did pre-order my Z Fold 3. This is my first foldable smartphone, and I'm super excited. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Okay, I like the box. I like the design. I like when they do that color, a little bit of the color on it. I got the black because I wanted the 512 gigabit model. And definitely made sure to get a case for it right away. And this will be a good temporary case for me until I find what I really want. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it feels so nice right here. This matte back feels so soft. I actually do like that a lot. Just in the front screen and the back screen has its own screen protector on it. And I like this style of camera bump. I don't like the big hunkin' rectangle that I had with my Note 20 Ultra. I like this style. It reminds me of my Note 10 Plus. It's just a little bit bigger. Got the buttons on the side. Alright. Not sure what that is. Have to figure that out. Probably an antenna or something. Alright, let's turn this baby on. There it is. Alright. Let's see what else is in the box. You got your SIM card remover, and then you have your wire to charge it, because there is no brick, which is fine because I pre-ordered. I got a free brick, even though I don't really need it. But that's me. That's not the case for everybody. You get minimal paperwork now in your box. That's cool. I always thought it was a pain to get these booklets. Alright, I'm just gonna put some of this stuff back in the box and put it aside. Okay, so let's get this set up. Okay, so now I'm going to do my Google sign in and then set up my fingerprint. I haven't used a side fingerprint before, so this is going to be something to get used to. Okay, now that I got my Samsung account signed in, this is what it looks like. Oh, I like the feel of this. It's so pretty. I like how it feels when you fold it. It just feels so nice. I'm so excited. I really think I'm going to love this phone. Now I'm going to program my face unlock. get that all set up. Well, it's going to take some time to get all my apps on here and to sign in and everything and to set it up the way I like. So far, I like how the hinge feels and how the phone looks and how it feels. I almost hate to put it in a case. But I gotta have my devices in cases. So to add a bonus, I got this thing called an eye roller to clean your screen without using water or liquid of any kind. And I saw someone in a video, and honestly I feel bad, I can't remember where I seen it, but I got it as soon as I saw it. I thought it was cool, and let's just open it up and test it out. So it's like a 3-in-1 unboxing: the case, phone, and the eye roller. Take all that. So it's just a sticky pad, pretty much. It says to rinse it off with water, all the dust and hair and particles that it collects after a bit. So that's cool. Of course, you have to make sure it's dried before using it again. Let's put some fingerprints on it, and as you can see, it just picks them right up. Well, that's cool. Well, I like this. It's different, but it happens to work pretty quickly. Cool. And it closes pretty simple too, not too difficult. That's the eye roller. Alright, let's put it in the case. Snap it in. I'm not really liking the whole extension part of that front flap. You can stand it up, but you wouldn't be able to do this on a smooth surface. Oh, let's clean off the front. Alright. Definitely fingerprint magnet, but that's okay. I rather have the shiny crystal clear screen protectors over matte. The pen doesn't work on the front screen, so that's unfortunate. That's okay. More than likely we'll use it more anyways with it open, but hopefully in the future they will let it so you can use it in the front. Since it is a smaller screen, if they decide to keep that form factor, the pen would help a lot of people, especially with the bigger fingers. Seems to work very smooth. Liking it so far. You can now choose 2 different windows on the side to turn on. I probably won't keep this on, but I'll set it up just to see what it looks like. This watch free. Well, I have a lot to do with this, with setting up and signing into things and installing all my apps that I do want. And just out of the box, of course, there's a lot of Galaxy Store and Play Store app updates. So I'll be doing that for a bit. But thanks for coming by and watching. This is my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 unboxing. I'm so excited for this device and can't wait to learn more about it and to show you guys some of the accessories I got for it. Until next time, I'm Tech Love Mama. Bye.